Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So in this video, I'm going to go over the directions for today, which is to complete the discussion and start thinking about your final project for climate change. Then I will talk about some more specific examples of what you might do in your project. And lastly, give you an updated schedule and when you should be getting things done and certain dates. Okay, so today with the discussion, some of you have already gotten your original post done, which is great. You will still need to do a reply for each person in your group. So what you need to do is find your name in the groups. You only need to reply in your group. So if you're Nick, you do not need to look at any of these other groups. All right. Now, basically, each group has different questions based on their topic. So you will make one original post that answers all of those questions using sources that are .org, .edu, or .gov, unless the question specifies that it is okay to use other sources. After you have your original post, you need to reply to all group members before May 8th at 12 at noon. This date I will change in just a moment here. Take any notes as you go along or bookmark pages that you think will be helpful to you when you are actually working on your final project. So let this research be meaningful in that you will use it to help you. Okay, so let's say you are in group A. So this is a discussion. Here are your questions you need to answer in your original post. Each group is going to have the last question here that says, what is your idea for your There Is No Planet B project? What is your topic? Will you do a paper, a slideshow, a drawing, or a recording? Now, when I say what is the topic, I'm meaning like what are you focusing on endangered species? Are you focusing on creating a birdhouse, a composting bin? What exactly are you doing specifically? Okay, so this gives you an outlet to talk about your project with other people and get some ideas. But each person in the group should really have their own unique take on the project. This discussion is with other people, but the project itself is individual, so it's a summative. Okay, I'm gonna go back a page here. And this is where the Word document is that I went through those directions for the project. Also, you can go back to, I believe it's day 11, where I explained in detail about the project. So here, I'm just going to give a few examples for you so that if you still have questions on how this project works, hopefully this will help. So let's say you're doing a hands-on project, like building a birdhouse, making a composting bin, doing gardening, making a model, anything along those lines where you are constructing something. I need to see video footage along the way from start to finish, okay? So I need evidence that it is you that created whatever you are making, okay? So I need to see your face. I need to see you doing this. So with that, now I have had one student ask me if they could do a voiceover with their video, which is a great idea. So this individual student is making a garden and they're going to voice over their video talking about what they're doing, the research they did, explaining everything about the project and especially why creating a garden is good for the environment. That is the point you need to make sure you make, is that you are talking about our topic, which is climate change. Okay, so that's a great option for people that are making something. You could also write a paper explaining your project and talking about the impact that it will have on the environment. Okay, maybe you're going the research route and you have a topic you're researching like endangered species. Some ideas is creating a paper, talking about that research, giving a summary of it. Another good one for that would be a slideshow, 10-page slideshow. You should have a decent amount of text if you're doing a slideshow, okay? Bullet points are only used if you're planning on recording the slideshow. Plenty of pictures would be good too. Don't forget to let me know what your sources are, okay, in each of these project ideas. I need to know where you get your information from, okay? What if you're doing a video? Then it would be good to probably do a summary or a reaction to the video. So stating what happened in the video, what's your reaction or opinion to the video? So I think you're getting the point here. If you have specific questions about your topic, just ask me on Schoology. I'd like you to kind of take the reins in everything you are including. Of course, we need to make the focus on climate change. If you're someone who needs a little more structure than what this gives, just Schoology message me and say, hey, could you give me a little bit more guidance on my project? And I will give you some ideas. Okay, let's talk about the timeline here. So let me just look at my schedule. Today is Thursday the 7th. So your discussion is due May 8th. So Monday would be a gold day again, the 11th. That will be your first official day to start working on your final project. Now, I really encourage you to start earlier. The earlier you start, the earlier you are done with biology for the year. So that would be good if maybe over the weekend. I know it's Mother's Day, but if you have extra time, it'd be a great idea to get this started. Okay, so Monday is a work day on that. And after each work day, I want to see what you got so I can give you feedback along the way. And, I don't want to do feedback right before you have to submit because that's not enough time to make changes. Okay? If you don't make changes based on my feedback, the grade's not going to be good. So please listen to the feedback and make changes. Okay, so that's Monday work day. We have next Wednesday, the 13th work day, next Friday, the 15th work day, and then we have our project due on the last day of school. Okay? At that point, it is due. There will be no more feedback, so you need to get feedback as soon as possible. If you have something done over the weekend, feel free to let me know and I could take a look at that. If you have any questions, if anything is confusing or you don't understand or you need guidance, please let me know. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.